In the past 2 years, it is not surprising that various manufacturers have been involved in the field of TWS products. The most common one is various mobile phone manufacturers. Mobile phone manufacturers have entered the TWS field, allowing many Android products to have a system-level control interface like Apple's AirPods series. For this part of users, they like the semi-open design and wearing experience of AirPods, but it is difficult to buy cost-effective products, and FIIL CC series just meets their needs. The latest product of the CC series, FIIL CC Nano, is priced at $399 or $62, which is an acceptable price range for many consumers. In terms of the overall design of the product, FIIL CC Nano still maintains the design style of the series, but this time the packaging is more interesting. At the same time, the opening method of the box also adopts the pull-out type. In terms of the shape of the charging box and earbuds, from the release of the first generation of CC series products to today's FIIL CC Nano, it is actually the third product in the series. For those who are just getting started, this kind of open TWS product without a cover should be quite impressive. The design without a cover on the top makes it really convenient to take it, because the step of opening the lid is omitted, and when I experienced the first generation product, the author was worried about the sealing problem caused by the open design. Another upgrade in the shape of FIIL CC Nano is the addition of a logo light, which is also a symbolic element of current FIIL products. It has to be said that, while constantly compressing the product volume, many manufacturers only pay attention to the highlight design of some details of the flagship product, and FIIL has achieved the design uniformity of the whole series, which is quite worthy of praise. In terms of weight, the overall weight of the earbuds and charging box is about 40 grams, and the weight of a single earphone is about 4.1 grams. For reference, the weight of Apple AirPods 3 is 46 grams, and 4.3 grams respectively. In terms of battery life, a single use of 5.5 hours, the charging box can provide an additional 4.5 charges. Whether it is commuting or daily use, it is completely sufficient. Therefore, FIIL CC Nano is a lighter product in the current market. Combined with the overall compact design, it is also very convenient to carry out. The weight of the main body of the headset is also convenient for long-term wearing, because the semi-open design is more convenient than the in-ear type. Although the sound insulation is sacrificed, the wearing is looser and the sound is more natural. In addition to the wearing advantages, the ability to insert a larger sound unit is also one of the reasons why many people like semi-open products. FIIL CC Nano has a built-in 13.1mm custom LDP diaphragm. In terms of sound quality, performance and adjustment, FIIL, as a professional audio manufacturer, still has its own advantages, while the sound is more popular. If you usually like to listen to songs with earbuds, then it can also be realized in two. It is also very useful to switch connections between devices. With the IPX4 waterproof and dustproof rating supported by the new earbuds, it can also be used as a headset when jogging, and there is no need to worry about the problems caused by sweat. Like the appearance, the performance upgrade of FIIL CC Nano is also in some details. Those who are familiar with FIIL products will find that this brand has been chasing the technology of Bluetooth connection very closely. When the mainstream in the industry was Bluetooth 4.2. At that time, they began to make a full line of Bluetooth 5.0 products. When Bluetooth 5.1 and 5.2 is not yet fully popularized, FIIL has begun to lay out the next generation of Bluetooth technology in its products. Another upgrade point of the new product is the call noise reduction technology. The previous generation earbuds CC2 has added the ENC call noise reduction function. On this basis, the FIIL CC Nano also introduces the IntelliGo AI technology, which can be optimized through the DNN Deep Neural Network algorithm, matching dual mic hybrid call noise reduction, AI optimization of call content. In fact, in my opinion, the previous generation of CC2 earbuds have been very perfect in all aspects, but FIIL has added many subtle upgrade points to the FIIL CC Nano. For consumers, if they need a pair of semi-open designs and can seamlessly adapt to various mobile phones, the cost performance of FIIL CC Nano is still very good. In terms of experience, iPhone users have AirPods that are perfectly adapted to both ecology and control, while the Android camp has very few options. In my opinion, FIIL CC Nano can be said to be built for Android users. AirPods, perfect experience, good wearing comfort, but also a certain degree of recognition and personalization. This is its advantage. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.